Wandayi.
Aya. Mokwongo akelo kuyo na makende ne familia mar jaduong' George. En kuyo makende mokuom mabinafsi to kubende kuom jodala wa Masiaya. Jarimo ka okuyo mwa Siaya County. To kendo bende en kuyo mwa kuom wabunge te mag Azimio to kod mag ODM bende. Nikech kaka ung'eyo ni owadgi George Martin miluongo ni Joshua has been the executive director, has been the finance director of our party, ODM, for a long time. A very dependable officer, a fine gentleman. Koro mane kuyo makelo. To kapo kadhi mbele, okelna kuyo kabende mwa kwa mbunge Masuba North. Mheshimiwa Mbili Odhiambo. Ukao. To wan gi kuyo bende mwa kuom jakom mar party. Mheshimiwa John Mbadi. Mamu bunge ma Suba South. To Joshua Bosha Konyisa, Governor no wuoyo kode. Governor wa Homa Bay, ung'eyo, Nyawang'aya. Obende okelo kuyo mamare. Jadimo ka okuyo mar governor. Aya. Kapo kadhi mbele kendo adwa recognize nuan kod vijende ka. Vijende mayando keto Ruto tesre ndara. Higa mokalo. Miluongo ni Movement for the Defense of Democracy. Gin kaendi MDD. Motel ni kod Maka Jos Fafwaya. To kod Fidel Castro. I've got very little to say. Let me say this. That indeed we condole with you, the family of George, and indeed the greater Awino family, for this unfortunate loss, for this untimely demise of your brother and son. As we do so, I am very encouraged that the people of this family and the people of Karachuonyo in general have committed to remain steadfast. To remain steadfast in the ODM party. This gentleman was a member of ODM. George was a member of ODM just like his brothers and sisters and children. So as we send him off today, it is befitting that we also talk about our party and our movement. We are honored to have in our presence none other than the Secretary General of the party. He'll be coming forward to speak to you. Gimanyaka wach. Ene Karachuonyo wan wayie kodu. Wayie kodu ahinya un Karachuonyo. Kech mokwongo umuyi wuoyi ma wiye ler. Miluongo na Dipo Dikuoms. En kan. Okay. Adipo ni ebunge kucho. En wuoyi makiluongo to iye. Kendo yande wakete kamiti malich miluongo ni finance. Ogo to nyiso. Adipo go to nyiso. Kendo en wuoyi makidhigo lweny. To okwe iyeyo. Odhi kodi nyaka giko. Koro kwadwa jema chande ka. Jadi mosira Adipo. Correct. Thank you very much. To mana kaka Dr. Oburo wacho. Wan ye party mar ODM kawang'eyo. Ni mano endara maluwo kawadhi loso sirikal marwa. There is no single day you will take pride in a government that you have been simply invited to. No single day. A government to which you have been simply invited cannot qualify as your government. And therefore, as ODM, we must work strategically, and alongside our partners to ensure that we form the next government in 2027 or earlier. Nikisige ni yero inya otim samora mora. Kaka joga yumba ni. Ogidek di dala chon kapok yero chup. Oknge kamano. Omiyo karachuonyo kaendi. Nyaka wawach kendo wa commit ni wabro bedo e ODM kawuono kiny nyaka chieng'. Kamano. Ka idhie sirikal, kidonja sirikal in as an individual, whether you are appointed, you are nominated, you are invited, that is your business. That is your personal business. The only time this region has witnessed meaningful development is when we have been in government as a community. Okamano. Sirikal manyalo bede ke duol emna sirikal mwadhie kakoganda. Ok sirikal medhie kendi kogweli. Mano mari ke matu judala. Okamano. Wano wango wach ki ngata mane sirikal. But they should perform their roles. Watch mar siasa turuaka, they must know ODM is the ruling party. ODM is the ruling party here. In Karachuonyo, in Homa Bay, in Siaya, in Kisumu, and in Migori. Just like it is in Nyamira and Kisii and everywhere else. And if you want to test your might against ODM, don't come through the back door. Wait and face us frontal when elections are called. Jadimo wacho nuburo kuodo wijachien kolwongi yero kaendi. We have seen what our governor Nyarwangaya is doing here. Wonderful job. Odiso is doing a wonderful job here. But how would that work be if Ruto would release all the monies to the counties? So you are sure Odiso would have done much better. If all the monies that he has marked for the counties are released on time to our counties. Which government? Let me ask you as I conclude. We have seen governments in this country. And each one of them, even the ones which were most dictatorial, like Jomo Kenyatta's and Moi's, there is something you can count that they did. And a good day is known in the morning. How can a government be in power for now close to 2 years? And there is no single thing you can point to. There is no single thing you can say that the Ruto administration has done. What kind of government can that be? One okwabiye. Finally. Awinjo nagiwacho nagidwa uso kambe mege surkari, including Sony. Be it privatization, be it leasing, be it commercialization, be it whatever, we are saying in one voice, one strong voice. Don't ever take our Sony to cartels. Don't take our Sony Sugar Company to cartels. We are saying in a strong voice, no. No. And any move to reform Sony Sugar Factory, to reform Zoya, to reform Miwani, and so on and so forth, must involve all stakeholders. And the key most stakeholders are the farmers. Okamano. Koratieko. Ni Homa Bay kaendi. Unugwa bunge mabaya yenya. Kendo karu kaendigo wabunge te manao yeri ODM. Apart from only one. Molokere Sude. Suba South Kuchu. Wabunge te manao yeri ODM Homa Bay kaendi have remained firm behind Baba Raila Omollo Odinga. Tokani tie mora mabro bam katambele. Saintu podo kwa ngeyo. Tada mondo unukao kiboko uchwad sawa. Wiyego. Ngata mobam, mawa yo baba to uchwad kiboko sianda nenya. Sai madigwezu. Ero kama na yenya. Yeuru muna luong deputy governor makisumu mondo bio mosu.